Hello everyone. I
Hi
just
everyone.
JC.
Oh, I didn't press start yet on my camera. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Gadija Cooks. In the house today, Fatima Sydow. Dis vir my camera en Fatima Sydow in the house. And I am having one sister, only one. I had two already, but I'm not gonna have more. Fatima made this and it is absolutely delicious. Light, fluffy, and outside crispy. Net soos ek dit lyk.
Okay guys, I posted I asked for people to ask some questions and we're gonna get to it. Okay? No long story. Welcome everyone. Hello everyone. Let's begin. Gadija, do you first sisters, Diana?
Off camera, I had about 4. And this is now just gonna have this one. Makla man!
Okay. 1 second. Okay. First question. Dit gesoek vir die dinge sinne.
I'm keeping it here.
Gadija supposed to be the consistent. Hier te wys, sy wys dit daar. Sy wys dit daar nie terug. En sy is in Muizenberg.
Hier is daar, sê Gadija.
Yeah, okay. First question is from C. She asked me, Fatima, would you please I would please like to know how old Sunny Boy is and where you got him. Do you sometimes take him to the beach? He's such a beauty. Thank you so much, C. Our next door neighbor, 2 houses away, they had pups and that's where we got Sunny Boy from. He was 8 weeks old when we got him. He turned 7 on the 2nd of October. And yes, we do take him out and he loves it. And there are a lot of things we don't record, just so you can just love on each other without having to, keep a cell phone on your hand and all that stuff.
Yeah.
But if you would like to see some videos of that, we will try our best to make it. Thank you, C. And now the next question. See. Okay. Graceful indeed, asked Gadija. Hello, Fatima. Nice to see you. Look at that. They look so good. Must be Cape Air. Where did you get inspired to do what you do regarding your profession? Okay, let's first tell people what other stuff we do or did and it's not just food. Gadija is a librarian and she also has a degree in
Information specialist. I'm an actual information specialist. I can work in a library. I can work as an information specialist. I can work anything to do with data, information, knowledge, all of those things.
Okay, and
that's my other profession. I've studied for that.
And we both matriculated, and I just studied by UNISA. I also went to varsity, but I'm a dropout. I was going to the idea was to become an archaeologist. That was when I was my late teens, early 20s, and then there was no money to study, so I dropped out.
You finished your first year, no? Well, you were in your first year still.
Yeah, there was just no way it was going to happen. Ma and Pa couldn't. We went to the banks, everything, nothing.
Yeah.
But that time we didn't know what was going on because we were first in shock that the family was first trying to still wrap their brain around the fact that someone finished matric. Because those years everyone left school early and they got married early. So I was the first in our house to finish matric.
I didn't finish matric at the school. Myself and Atta was in a car accident and we never returned because it took months, almost a year to recover, if not longer. Then I matriculated later in my life when I was already married with kids. And yeah, that's when I finished my matric, and then I so much started with my degree.
Yeah. And the next question is, did Gadija... Oh, Sheila... Wat is die?
Yeah.
Sê die van?
Sheila
Theko
Baga.
Baga.
Yeah.
Hello Fatima, when my sister and I went to school, they put us together from sub 8 to matric. I'm assuming you're also twins. Did you and Gadija experience the same at your school?
Was ons hulle in dieselfde klas?
We were
Maybe once, no?
once,
Twice.
yeah, and
But
the rest
afterwards
no.
the teachers realized no, they cannot do that.
No.
It was
Too
too
confusing. Okay, Bonita Damas. When I see you again, I'm going to give you the answer face to face. Okay. Okay. Tasneem Marcus asked, when one of you got a hiding, did the other one get sore or felt sad? I found this with a set of twin boys I had in my class. I only reprimanded one, and the other one ran out after his brother as if I reprimanded him.
There were times, many times, when if Fatima or myself, yeah, we would feel it. But there were also times where she got me into trouble. And then when she got reprimanded, I was very happy about it. Because she was the note, she was gruwelijk, very gruwelijk. And she was the instigator, and she would always lead me into the nonsense, so goodness. Kan nie meer nie.
But yes, with the twin thing, we definitely feel each other's pain well, in our experience, way more than others. People are quite in awe of the fact when we tell them that we felt it. Even our life partners, our family, friends, they always say, yeah, like when she's sick, I feel it. When I'm sick, she also, it's,
yeah.
And this year was it was a challenge, and it was a challenge for her as well. But we got through it this year. So shukran for that question. Thank you so much. Gadija, druk pause. Maar moenie stop drukkie. Okay. C.V. Muller asked, what made you venture into writing your cookbooks? Well, it's quite simple. We just wanted to share. It was coming from a place of wanting to share. And that's it. Everything is about sharing. That is why we're doing the YouTube videos, the cookbooks, we did the TV show, we got Facebook, we got Instagram. And the whole intention of it all is just simply to share. We grew up we're very big family, very close family. And when we used to sit around the table and my mommy would say, okay, take them up the skip. And we all get together, we help our mommy. And that feeling of sitting around that table is so special. And we just thought, you know what, let's just bring more of that to the table, to people's lives, so that they can have more opportunities to sit together. And that is when you cook. And then we share the recipes. And that's that. It's that simple.
And to get the feedback afterwards, Fatima, of how much we all have in common. For me, that's always so amazing, when we speak about how my mom made something out of nothing, and then we would get comments like, oh, my mom also used to do that, and she would take this and that, and when we see again, wow, like magic, there's a potkos alweer, or there's a smootje alweer, or something. That is just, then we see, okay, we all have so much in common. Not so differently.
Okay, Gadija, the next question is from Blossom. She wanted to know, what is your favorite food and what is Gadija's favorite food? I would like to see that you're twins, if you like the same things or some things, and what it is.
People always are, but is that your favorite food? Something very, very simple, but done right. roast chicken, gebraide hoender, with sweet yellow rice and that crispy potato with a bit of sweet corn, a little sweet corn on the side, and evo and tomato. That's my favorite. Done right. Fatima makes it for me almost every year for our birthday because she knows it's my favorite. The skin, that crispy skin. Dan mix ek dit so met 'n bietjie geel rys en 'n stukkie aartappel, 'n bietjie sweet corn. Ek 'n bietjie die fundament. Fatima nie man.
Let's all be
Ek is coffee. And Fatima's.
It's very hard for me, very difficult. That's a top 5.
I also have a top 5 and 10, but on number 1 it's that.
Gee jou top 5 gou, gou.
I will say curry, lamb curry.
5, from 5 to 1.
Okay, lamb curry.
Number
5. Number 5. Number 4, agony. Number 3, kater. I love kater on liquor bread with butter in a koppie tea cheats. 3 no, 2. 2.
Jy maak vir my, jy maak kyk met myselfie.
2, it will be wat is 2 nou weer man? Hippie,
braai.
Baie hippie. Ja, anything braai, ja, op die kolle. Ja.
En nummer 1 is mos jou hoende.
Die een is met die geel rys en die sweet corn.
Lekker. My top 5, number 5, it changes every year, but somehow the top 2, 3 lingers. It has compete with each other.
It gets a position there, definitely.
My number 5 is oysters.
Ek vergeet van hom.
Ek sien jy. Number 4, it used to be sushi, but
They eat te veel sushi nou, as jy dit.
Number 4 is difficult. I'm just gonna say number 4 is bunchi, suiker bunchi breedi of curry met rice of roti. Sugar bean food is my favorite, one of my favorites.
Langsous kos.
Yeah. Then
En die dal?
number 3, dal is not in my top 5. I'm just craving for it.
Vra my because she's been asking me 2-3 weeks for please make me dal. So I'm
It's just a
thinking
craving.
in that top 5.
And then obviously roti and curry. What's it? Number 3, number 4.
Number 3.
Okay. And then number 4, number 3, no, sorry. Number 2 is wat jou nummer 1, your number 1. Is your chicken, sweet yellow rice, with the sides, a squashy, stukkie evo, sweet corn,
A butternut.
So, my number 1, there's a new place, number 1. I'm not, it's actually standing vacant. It's vacant. But if I have to say, well, hang on quickly, guys. Sorry, guys. There we go. It's actually number 3 is number 1. My favorite is sugar bean. Sugar beans in curry or breedi form with rice or roti. That's my favorite. Okay, now we're just going to answer one more question because we're running out of time. Haja. Oh, yes. Essie Faro Adams. My question is the cookbooks and your YouTube channel. How did that happen? For both of you. Well, I think we answered it before. It was about, wanting to share and also tell our story because for me, I something clicked one day when I realized when I needed to find out things about food or people or family, there was nothing documented. And that's in the case for a lot of people. And then I decided, you know what, the best way to make sure that anyone who wants to find out about us, whether it's people we know, not know, family or friends, Then there is a platform where they can go find out a reference point, whether it's our books, TV show, or YouTube, the way they can find out what, and we tell you everything and how it came to fall. And that's our questions. Gadija, wil jy iets vir my vra? Ek vra vir jou iets. Pause, spicy.
Okay, I always wanted to ask you what's your favorite dessert, because Fatima doesn't have a big sweet tooth like I do. But so it's very difficult to put something sweet in the thing if you say make me something lekker and what you eat to maak. So what is your favorite sweet thing?
My favorite, without hesitation, without having even to think long, without having to press pause, is jelly and idle milk with canned fruit. It's that simple. It's that simple.
Mine is anything to do with lemon. Lemon cheesecake, lemon this, lemon that. I like a tangy thing with something sweet. Yeah, that does it for me again.
Okay. Gadija, we're running out of time, so what we're gonna do is we can do this again, and you're gonna post this on your channel, so then you can ask the people now to now
also
ask questions.
Yeah,
so
for our
it's
next
fair.
Q&A.
Yes, so it came from my channel now, and the next quiz. The next question and answer will come, and Gadija's people can ask our questions and answers. Yeah, we just thought we'd give you guys this opportunity, and now we're gonna go and also paar ander dinge om te doen. We love you guys so much.
So much. Really appreciate all of you. And once again, I always say it. Shukran everyone for your prayers and du'as. And look at her. My beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sister. She looks amazing.
You're so amazing. Anyways, guys, love you guys. Sharp. Love you.